how to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first, make sure that you have both the apps available, that is Exness and MetaTrader 5. After you've installed both of those, you can open up your Exness, go through your authentication, and after you're there, you will need to go and find your profile's info. So here you will need to tap on your details and you'll find the settings option. Head over there and from here copy your Exness server. After you've copied that, you can then go to your MetaTrader 5, create a new account. Here find a server, so just paste whatever you copied, then press your Exness technologies. And after you've selected that, you can then open a new account. So you can see you can log in, you can enter out your login and password. So you can do that from your Exness right here. You can copy the login option. After you've copied it, paste it right here, paste your password. Your server is already there, and enter your password right here, then tap on login. After you've logged in, you'll be logged in into your Exness. And that's how you connect your Exness to your MetaTrader 5. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.